Welcome to Gear Speed, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, the latest motorcycle news, and everything you need to know about the fastest, toughest, and most reliable bikes around the globe. If you're passionate about motorcycles, sport bikes, and performance machines, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory, a motorcycle that continues to make a strong impression in the global automotive market. Known for its aggressive design and dependability, the 2025 model builds on its legacy with refined updates, modern tech, and enhanced performance. The exterior styling sees a few noticeable changes, including a sharper front fairing design, updated LED lighting, and a more muscular body stance that makes it look tougher and more capable than ever before. Under the hood, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory retains its proven 659cc parallel twin engine with slight improvements in power output and performance tuning. The engine now delivers 105 horsepower, thanks to larger 52mm throttle bodies, providing strong torque for both street and track adventures. The ride quality is noticeably smoother thanks to chassis adjustments and better suspension components, making both highway cruising and spirited riding more comfortable. Step inside and you're greeted by an interface that blends utility with modernity. The dashboard now features a new 5-inch TFT display with improved graphics and quicker response times. Connectivity options like Aprilia's advanced electronics suite are standard, and the ergonomics have been improved for enhanced comfort during long rides. The cockpit feels more premium, with high-quality materials and better wind protection, reducing fatigue significantly. In terms of safety, the 2025 Tuono 660 Factory doesn't hold back. It includes advanced rider assistance features like cornering ABS, adjustable traction control, wheelie control, cruise control, and a quickshifter. These upgrades not only make daily riding safer but also boost confidence while maneuvering through challenging conditions or tight corners. One of the strong points of the Tuono 660 Factory has always been its agility, and the 2025 model continues to impress with a lightweight chassis, high-performance suspension, and capabilities that make it a solid choice for both daily commuting and weekend track days. The bike's power-to-weight ratio remains best in class, making it one of the most versatile sport bikes on the market. Whether you're a seasoned rider, a track enthusiast, or someone who just loves high-performance motorcycles, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory offers something for everyone. It is practical, powerful, and packed with modern features that elevate your riding experience. Thanks for tuning in to Gear Speed. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more motorcycle content from around the world, make sure